In the next 4 minutes, you will turn your Shopify store into an affiliate recruiting machine. 50 to 100 partners. 0 cold posting. 90 days, start to finish. Before you recruit, check 3 boxes. Your store must hit 50 orders a month. Your conversion rate must clear 1%. And install Up Promote. The free plan runs the basics. The growth plan unlocks customer referral, auto-enrollment. Step 1. Map the framework. Follow 1 loop. Outreach, qualify, onboard, build trust. Every action you take fits inside these 4 stages. Step 2. Export your top 100 customers. Open Shopify admin. Go to customers. Filter by order count, 2 or more. Sort by total spent. Export the top 100. These people already trust you. They convert at 15 to 25%, the highest of any channel. Step 3. Send the customer invite email. Write the email short, under 150 words. Offer them 5% above your standard rate as a loyalty bonus. Reference their purchase history by name. Specific emails convert 3 times higher than generic ones. Step 4. Turn on post. Purchase. Auto-enrollment inside Up Promote. Go to Outreach, then Affiliate Recruitment, then Customer Referral. Enable post-purchase sign-up. Pick the program. Customize the thank you banner. Save. From this moment on, every buyer sees an invite at peak excitement. Open rates hit 70%. Step 5. List on Up Promote Marketplace. Next, go live on the marketplace. Write a listing that leads with your commission rate. State your niche specifically. Organic skincare beats health and wellness. Upload 4 high-resolution product shots. Submit. Affiliates now find you while you sleep. Step 6. Cold outreach to bloggers and creators. Now go hunt. Google your niche best products. 2026. Contact bloggers with domain authority 20 or higher. Send 50 emails a week. On Instagram and TikTok, DM creators with 5,000 to 100,000 followers. Reference a specific post. Specificity triples your response rate. Step 7. Vet with the 8-point checklist. Never auto-approve. Run every applicant through 8 checks. Audience relevance, content quality, engagement rate, posting frequency, brand alignment, follower authenticity, affiliate experience, FTC awareness. 5 red flags get an instant reject. Fake followers, spam content, adult or gambling sites, coupon abuse, and anyone asking for upfront payment. Step 8. Upload assets to Media Gallery. Last step. Open motivation, then Media Gallery. Upload 10 to 15 product shots, 3 banners, and 2 short videos. Affiliates with a ready-made gallery generate 60% more sales than those who build from scratch. 3 mistakes kill most programs. 1. Passive recruiting. 90% of signups come from outreach, not a footer link. 2. Commission rates below your competitors. Affiliates pick the higher rate every time. 3. Silence after approval. Affiliates who get an onboarding email inside 48 hours activate 3 times more often. Pro tip: on day 5, send a personal check-in. Ask 1 specific question. This single message saves more affiliates than any reactivation campaign 3 months later. In 90 days, you will stand on a roster of 50 to 100 recruits, 25 of them actively driving sales, $3,000 to $8,000 a month on autopilot. The full playbook, templates, and vetting checklist live on our blog. The step-by-step docs sit on docs.uppromote.com. Install Up Promote free from the Shopify App Store. Start with your top 100 customers today. Our 24/7 support team is always here for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.